In 2008, in the United States, 31 million tons of food waste was sent to landfills. This material resulted in the emission of roughly 130 million metric tons of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. At the same time, there exist numerous challenges for developing models for sustainable agriculture, including the need for a sustainable supply of protein as feed for livestock. Break It Down offers a solution by diverting food wastes through an innovative black soldier fly composting system which produces grub meal, a protein feed for livestock. Over the past year, Break It Down has developed a composting service for businesses which redirects food wastes to local farms and community gardens to support on-site composting. Grub composting will further the scale and impact of our waste reduction model. Soldier grubs compost material in an analogous manner to worms, except that they also consume meat and dairy wastes, but avoid high carbon materials such as leaves or dry grass. This diet will allow us to compost any organic waste from local businesses, and it alleviates a primary issue of composting in Central Texas, a lack of carbon feedstocks. These grubs are voracious eaters, and the primary product of this composting method is the grubs themselves, demonstrated as a viable alternative to soybean meal for chickens, pigs, and fish. There is documented success using grub composting to produce organic wastes, and we will apply these concepts to the first commercial system to sell grub meal. To accomplish this goal, we have the support of several local organizations. A commercial composting business has offered us land on which we can develop this system. Several farms will feed the grubs to their pastured chickens to document their use locally. One of the largest nonprofit agricultural organizations in the region can provide marketing and outreach support. And, at least at first, the grub meal would be sold wholesale to local grain mill. But we need financial capital to construct grub composting infrastructure. We will start with a system capable of producing, conservatively, 30 tons of grub meal annually, and demonstrate that this process is both scalable and an economically viable alternative to conventional composting. The potential for a city to generate all the protein needed to feed livestock in the entire region from existing food wastes is huge. Too much organic material is wasted in landfills, and too little food is produced sustainably. We need your help to demonstrate that this innovative food waste management system can improve regional food cycles and create opportunities for sustainable agriculture.